If you're looking for the perfect coffee machine, the best way to go is to look for the cheap and cheerful option. Here is what the best coffee machines have to offer. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe and ring the bell icon before we start today's video on the top 5 best coffee machine. Coming at number 5. Mr. Coffee Coffee Maker with Auto Pause and Glass Carafe. Mr. Coffee's Auto Pause feature stops the brewing cycle when you take a drink, making sure you have the perfect cup every time. The dual water window allows you to see how much water you are adding and whether you have added enough water. The glass carafe is easy to clean and comes with a drip tray. A dual water window lets you see how much water is left in the carafe and how much coffee grounds are left in the filter. Next, number 4. Keurig K Elite Coffee Maker. Keurig is the one brand for coffee makers, and for good reason. The K-Cup brewer is the easiest, fastest way to make great tasting coffee. K-Cup brewers brew the perfect cup of coffee every time. They're convenient, they save you money, and you don't have to deal with messy grounds. Plus, with Keurig's K-Cup brewer, you can enjoy your favorite coffee without the mess. Enjoy the convenience of brewing fresh, strong coffee in a matter of minutes. Coming at number 3. Keurig K Select Coffee Maker. The Keurig K Select is the ultimate coffee maker. It's not only a coffee brewer, but a complete coffee making machine. The K Select is the perfect addition to any kitchen. Just add water, select the amount of coffee you want, press the button and enjoy a freshly brewed cup of coffee. The K Select is the perfect coffee brewer. Keurig brewers are built to last. Next, number 2. Takaya patented Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker. This Takaya Deluxe Cold Brew Coffee Maker is perfect for those who prefer a richer, more flavorful coffee. With the cold brew method, the grounds are allowed to steep for a minimum of 8 hours. Cold brew was made by combining ground coffee beans with filtered water, letting the grounds settle out. You can make cold brew coffee at home with a few simple steps. Last one, number 1. Keurig K Classic Coffee Maker K-Cup Pod. Keurig K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker brews single cup, 16 ounces or larger, coffee in a matter of seconds. Simply add your favorite K-Cup pod, select the desired brew size, and press the button. K-Cup pods are available in a wide selection of flavors, including a new, delicious flavored K-Cup pod line featuring a hint of chocolate and vanilla. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, check out our other videos. Goodbye.